Hi, in this video we'll be going through how to remove privileges or demote a user on your WordPress website. My name's Dan and this is WP Update. Welcome, my name's Dan, I'm a senior software engineer and full stack WordPress developer with WP Update. In this video we're going through how to remove privilege, demote or otherwise lower the access level for a WordPress user on your website. So let's start by making sure we're in the dashboard. I'll assume that you know how to get there. If you don't, that's okay. There is a link in the description below to a video that'll take you through it. We want to head to users and then all users. Now, if you can't see this, it means that your account doesn't have access and you'll need to ask a website administrator to do this for you. But if you can, users and all users. And then we want to look for the user that we're going to demote. In this case, it's example.user. And we want to scroll down here. Now, before I do this demotion, let's take a look at what the example user can do. So here, just in an incognito window, which you can tell by the black bar, the example user is an editor right now. So they can view other people's posts, they can upload media, they can create and edit pages, and they can look at their own profile. And you can see here, the little blue links means that they can access everything and change everything. But if they have eroded trust, they're no longer needed in the role they're in, or have otherwise moved away from managing the website as a whole, you'll want to demote them down to something a little bit lower. In this case, we're going to demote them back to an author so they can only mess with their own stuff. So let's pop that aside for just a moment. Back to our administrator window, which you can tell because it's got the white bar up the top. We're going to drop them down to a contributor. So that means that they can only access their own information. They can't upload new media that's not on a post. They can't access or edit other people's gear. Scroll all the way to the bottom, click on Update User, and that's done. Now let's go and check what happens in the incognito here. So if I do a hard refresh here, so pretending to be the example user, you can see we lost the access to the pages here. We lost access to media over the left-hand side. But more importantly, I can no longer click on these articles. I can just view them. I can't edit them at all. Thus, removing their access and only allowing them to mess with their own gear. And that's it. Nice, easy one. So thank you very much for watching. Check out the videos on the left for some more WordPress tips. Or if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and ring the notification bell so you're notified every single time we post a brand new WordPress tip. Stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you in the next video.